Hey everyone, my name is Bhargava. In this video we will be covering about NumPy. So for understanding NumPy we need to have understanding on Python, which are lists, tuples and loops. So what is NumPy? NumPy is a library used in Python for working with arrays. It has some functions, and NumPy is used for working with numbers. NumPy was created by Travis in 2005. How can we use NumPy array? By importing NumPy. What we will be covering in this video. How do we create a NumPy from a list? And some basic operations. How do we create an array from list? So, I have taken an example of Kaju. Those weights are present in grams. So I need to convert them into kgs and then multiply with rupees. So for that, you know what we need to use, which is NumPy arrays. So here is the code for converting an array of lists to an NumPy array. Let's get started. I'm copying this whole code so I'll be telling you how this will be get executed line by line. So here on the first line we are declaring a list. Okay, that list is stored in Kaju weights. I have given name Kaju weights. So after that I am importing a NumPy. But if you see here I am using as NP. So what is as here? So it is a short form and an alias for NumPy I am using as NP. So NP is nothing but here NumPy. So I am converting that list by using list as a parameter for array. So that conversion I am storing in a variable Kaju weight grams. Here Kaju weight grams is nothing but a NumPy array. So now we will see the output of the Kaju weight grams and type of the variable. If you see here, the Kaju weight array got converted into an list, but if you see here it is nothing but changed. But if we see here type of the variable, it is telling numpy.nd array. Here NumPy can store an n dimensions. So now next we will move to the next code. Here we are doing some basic operations. Grams can be converted into kgs by dividing with 1000. So I'll be converting them into kgs. The weights are present in grams, so I need to convert them into kgs first. So I'm running. So all the values were printed in terms of kgs. So now I'll be converting them into how much customer needs to be paid. So I'll be converting them into rupees. So each 2 4 kg amount is 450 rupees. So I'll be multiplying them with 450. So for first customer, he need to pay 562 rupees, and second customer need to be paid 337 rupees, and so on. Can we do this list conversion by using list? Yes, we can do. Why we are not using by using list? So here for conversion we will be using list comprehensions or for loops, which takes much time to convert. So thanks for watching this video.